Hi everyone, welcome to Chefs Together. Today we are going to be making vegetable fried rice.
But before we move on, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get prompt notifications. Let's move on.
Well, here are the ingredients for making the veg fried rice. We need 3 tablespoons of oil, quarter a cup of diced carrots, half a cup of chopped French beans, 1 cup of sliced onions, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of chopped capsicums.
And for the dry ingredients, we will need 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of Ajinomoto. Here I have taken a quarter teaspoon of soya sauce, but if we feel that your soya sauce is very dark, then you can reduce it, because it will turn your fried rice into a darker shade, which we will not want it. And here we have used a mix of white pepper and black pepper, but you can just suit yourself and use either one, or whichever you prefer the most. And for the rice, we have taken 3 cups of boiled basmati rice, which was made out of 200 grams of basmati rice. Here the proportion for boiling this rice in a cooker, this I have made it with cooker today. For making that, you will have to take 1 portion of rice with 1.5 portion, that is 1:1.5 portions of water. If you are doing it with a plain boiling container, then you can just boil it, and if you can see that, you can see the long grains of rice. It should be you will attain this consistency only if it is semi-boiled.
So let's start making the fried rice. First, we need to add the oil, the 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes really hot, we need to add the onions.
Do you hear the sizzling sound? That is exactly what we are looking for.
Next is the French beans. Half a cup of French beans. Stir it well. Saute it for some time. We have got to saute for little time, because we're not going to cook it. It just has to get crunchy. Now I'm adding the carrot. Sauteing the carrots, don't saute it for a long time, because the fried rice might get orangish color. Now I'll be adding the soya sauce, and next I'll be adding the Ajinomoto. Stirring this for like a minute or so. It's time to transport the vegetables.
Now we are going to add a little more of oil, like a tablespoon or less, and we are going to stir fry the rice. So as we have already told, we are using 3 cups of basmati rice, which is already boiled. You can even use any other raw rice that you may prefer.
stir it nicely so that we get a nice good flavor in the fried rice. Well, of course the rice should be fried. Only then it's called fried rice, right?
That's a nice one. That's a good one.
And be careful, the rice might stick to the bottom. Just make sure that it doesn't get too stuck. It doesn't get stick.
To avoid all this, you can use a non-stick pan.
Now we'll be adding the vegetables here. Mix it up nicely. We can add 1 teaspoon of salt, but you can suit to your taste. While stirring the fried rice, make sure you stir it fast or else it might stick up to the bottom.
And your flame should be always high.
That's looking real good.
And colorful.
Just before we finish, we'll add the white pepper and the black pepper.
As we have already told you, you can just suit yourself. You can either use white or black or both, as we have just did. And according to your taste, you can alter the proportion as well.
Here it is. Our steaming hot fried rice is ready and it looks really yummy. Try it out and tell us how it went on for you. Please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell button so that you will get notified every time we post a new recipe. So that's it. Bye bye. Thank you. And don't forget, please subscribe to our channel, Chefs Together. And of course, like and share as well. Bye.
Bye bye.